Buckle up your seatbelt. And for sensitive viewers, this is not the video for you. I consider myself as a driver. So what do I mean by that? Well, I enjoy the art of driving. It took me almost 600 laps on the Nordschleife in my first 996 GT3 Mark I to figure out that it was not about the lap times. In fact, I think my personal best 10-15 years ago was 7 minutes 49 second bridge to gantry. I realized that I forgot the communication the car gave me while I'm driving. I lost enjoyment. So that was a really shifter for me when I kind of discovered the art of driving. To experience the art of driving, you normally need, at least I need, a GT car to feel the passion you have when you pull out on a racetrack or on a B road and get the beauty of feeling the connection between the speed, the road, the car, the engineering from Porsche. These days we have to fight with the Wall Street finance guys that treat the GT car as a bonds or value paper that are buying and selling, or car flippers, just a lot of crowded people that wants to get hands of the GT models. So the driver's person like me that don't want to put money under the table and find silly agreements to get an allocation, we need to fight for our cars. And it is getting worse because some Fox guy, let me see what his name was, no ID, Tanner Fox he is called. Tanner Fox, a professional YouTuber, most likely extremely successful, just bought a GT3 RS. Which Porsche Center sold him the car? In many forums and these debates around the internet, the GT models are sometimes referred as widowmaker, even though I don't think Tanner Fox is married at 18 years old, but it is a dangerous tool. I don't see the responsibility the Porsche Center took when they sold this child a GT3 RS. As a father, I'm quite upset, to be honest. I'm not sure about you guys, but let me say I was not the best driver when I, at 19 years old, jumped into my 944. But that was far from the monster machines that we have today. They are dangerous tools. Did the Porsche Center take responsibility for the brand? I'm not sure in that question either. I think they should be ashamed. And since it is in the United States and everybody is suing each other, if I was the mother or father of Tanner, I would sue the Porsche Center for giving this dangerous tool to my child. And it does not feel like, and I will link below the video when he does the factory collection in Germany, I don't get the feeling that he has been driving go-karts since he was 6 years old, pulling away from Porsche, scratching his car. I will give him 12 months and hopefully, and I pray for it, that he will not be in an accident. And also, just for the record, and this is very important, I don't hold anything against this child buying the car. I would have done the exact same thing in the age of 18.